Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Discord on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So what you have to do guys is to open your any browser that you have in your computer, and here on the search bar search for Discord. So just click on it when you will find it and open the official link of Discord. You see here two options. Open Discord in your browser. That means that you will open and launch Discord just here on your Google Chrome browser, or download for Windows. For us, we want to download it in our Windows. Click download for Windows and wait for the installation of the downloader file. So once it's done, you should click on it like this, and you have to wait. And after that, as you can see, the installation will start, and click yes. And back here to Discord, and right now the installation are done. Just put your email or your mobile phone number and your password and click login, and it's going to work with you perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.